Welcome to flooring day. So this is subflooring. Needs to be able to stand up in the rain because it's gonna get rained on a lot. So the idea now is that we're in a race to get this thing completely closed in, is what you call it. And that's when the roof is on and we don't have to worry about weather getting into the house, because of course this is flat. So water's not gonna be like sliding off of it, it's just gonna sit here. So you need like a bunch of tools, and so we've got nail guns, we've got hammers. You need to make things like this, which is to plug into your tongue and groove flooring and hammer it in. There's all kinds of things that you just have to improvise around, and there's not, you know, being a professional and doing this for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years is great because you know exactly what you're gonna need, you know what materials you're working with, until you start trying to up your game and give higher performance, or you're trying new materials, and then it's all like, you just have to ask the right questions, be a thinking person. So it's really fun to experiment with this and be my own contractor on this build. And we have our friends around. You can see that there are people all over, and that guy's an actor, actually. Don't let him look at the camera. There's our parents. And this is how people used to do it. This is really fun. So, you know, you used to have either master builders who were architects and builders, and people used to live in their house for 100 years or more, you know, generations of the same family. That's not what we have now. And people used to build their own homes, and that's also not what we have now. So it's kind of like fun to experiment with what used to be. And the whole time, remember, we're thinking about the dynamics, the physics and the chemistry, and how all of this stuff is going to have an effect. So I hope you're enjoying our journey. Remember to comment, like, subscribe. Tune in next time.